In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ethically analyze a competitor's website using Ubersuggest. This tool provides valuable insights into a competitor's public SEO and content performance, which can significantly inform your own digital strategy. First, you'll need to open Ubersuggest and log in. Head over to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest to get started. If you don't have an account, registering is simple and well worth the benefits. With Ubersuggest up and running, you'll be ready to dive deep into competitor analysis. Once logged in, type the competitor's domain into the main search bar. For instance, you could use a hypothetical URL like example.com, hit the search button, and Ubersuggest will begin gathering data on that site's performance. Navigate to the traffic analyzer and select Overview. This feature provides an estimate of your competitor's traffic, revealing their top performing countries and main pages. This data is crucial as it gives you a snapshot of how much organic traffic they receive, helping you gauge their reach and influence. Next, click on Top Pages. Here, you'll discover which specific pages drive the most visits to your competitor's site. Take note of the topics they cover, the structure they use, whether it's a listicle, guide, or product page, and the elements that make them effective, such as engaging headlines, content length, and the use of visuals. Proceed to the Keywords or Organic Keywords section. This reveals the keywords your competitor ranks for, alongside their positions, and the estimated traffic each keyword generates. Export this list to identify easy wins, keywords where your site might compete based on their rankings and potential traffic. Another fantastic feature is Content Ideas, where you can view your competitors' high-performing article titles along with backlinks and social shares. This information can serve as a valuable model for creating better content with more depth, fresher statistics, or superior visuals. Check out the backlinks section to examine who links to your competitor's site. This insight is invaluable as it identifies potential sites you can approach for link building opportunities, thus expanding your outreach and visibility. If your competitor runs paid ads, explore their paid ads section. You'll be able to see the paid keywords they're targeting and their ad copy. This can inspire your product offers or landing page designs. Lastly, review the social shares and engagement signals to pinpoint which pages are shared the most. Understanding this helps identify the kinds of content and topics that are highly shareable and resonate with audiences. Remember to save or export your findings from Ubersuggest. Export the keywords, backlinks, and top pages to a CSV file. This allows you to prioritize opportunities that strike the right balance between keyword difficulty and search volume, aiding your competitive strategy. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of using Ubersuggest to ethically gather competitive intelligence. Armed with this data, you can refine your own approach and take your website's performance to the next level.